Children, we'll continue with the chapter mensuration. A topic for today is areas. Areas of rhombus, trapezium and general quadrilateral. So shall we start? First one is area of rhombus. Now you know that rhombus is a quadrilateral with all the four sides equal. There are two diagonals for a rhombus. We are going to mark the diagonals as D1 and D2. Then the area is given as half D1 D2. So area of a rhombus when the diagonals are given is A equals half D1 D2. We will do an example also. Find the area of the rhombus of diagonals 8.2 and 10 centimeter. So here the diagonals are given. So let's write first diagonals measurement 8.2 centimeter. Then second diagonals measurement 10 centimeter. Always write the formula, then only substitute the values. Area of a rhombus equals half D1 D2, which is equal to half into 8.2 into 10. 2 goes in 8.2, 4.1 times. So 4.1 into 10, 41. Since it's an area, unit will be square centimeter. So the answer is 41 centimeter square. So what is the area of the rhombus, children? Half D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals of the rhombus. Then comes trapezium. Now in trapezium you can see it is also a quadrilateral, closed four sides are there. Of that, one pair of sides will be parallel. Here which side is parallel? If I name the trapezium as ABCD, you can see that side AB is parallel to side CD. Measurement of AB is given as B here. Measurement of CD, length of CD is A. That means the length of the parallel sides are given as A and B. Height of the trapezium is given as H. Then area of the trapezium will be equal to half H into A plus B, where H is the height of the trapezium, A and B are the length of the parallel sides of the trapezium. For a trapezium, one pair will be parallel sides, the other pair will be non-parallel sides. The length of the parallel sides are given as A and B here, height is given as H. Therefore, area equals half H into A plus B. We will do one example also. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD. There is a trapezium drawn there. Now, you need to find the area. Write down the measurements. Parallel sides. AB is parallel to CD. So, A equals 4 centimeter. The length of the next parallel side 10 centimeter. And height of the trapezium is given to be 3 centimeter. Write the formula to find area of the trapezium. Half H into A plus B, which is equal to half into, what is the height? 3. 4 plus 10. And children, what is 4 plus 10 equals? 4 plus 10 is 14 centimeter, which is equal to half into 3 into 14. 2 goes in 14, 7 times. 3 sevens are 21. Unit will be centimeter square. So the area of the trapezium ABCD will be equal to 21 centimeter square. So what is the area of the trapezium? Half h into a plus b, where h is the height of the trapezium, a and b are the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium. Next, there is a general quadrilateral. There is no particular name for the quadrilateral. Any closed four-sided figure we call a quadrilateral. How to find the area? If I ask you to find the area of a rectangle, yes, you know it is length into breadth. Area of a square, side into side. Area of a parallelogram, base into height. Area of a rhombus, half d1 d2. Area of a trapezium, half h into a plus b. But in case if a general quadrilateral is given, how will you find the area? So for that, we have an easy formula to learn. So let's see, check the figure here. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. You can see AC is the diagonal drawn and diagonal is represented by the alphabet D. When a diagonal is drawn onto a quadrilateral, the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. You can see here two triangles. What is the name of one triangle? It will be triangle ABC. And what is the name of the second triangle? Triangle ADC. So a quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Now let me ask you, how will you find the area of triangle ABC? What is the formula to find the area of triangle? It is half base into height. Here what is the base? AC. So I can write area of triangle ABC equals half D, and what is the height? H1. And what will be the area of triangle ADC? It will be again half, base of the triangle is given as D, height of the triangle is given as H2. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral ABCD will be area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, half DH1 plus half DH2. What all things are common, children? Take it out. Half and D is common. So what is left inside now? H1 plus H2. So area of a general quadrilateral is half D into H1 plus H2, where D is the diagonal of the quadrilateral. H1 and H2 are the heights of the triangles. Okay. So let's see, we can do a problem or not. Find the area of PQRS. You can see that in the figure there is a PQRS where QS is equal to 5.5 centimeter. The length of QS is given as 5.5 centimeter. In that quadrilateral, what is QS? Diagonal. RM equals 2.5. RM is the height, 2.5 centimeter, and PN equals 1.5 centimeter. So there is a quadrilateral with diagonal. What is the diagonal measurement? 5.5 centimeter. Then height of one triangle 2.5 centimeter. Height of the second triangle 1.5 centimeter. With these measurements, I need to find the area of the quadrilateral. How can I find the area of the quadrilateral? Using which formula can I find that? Using the formula half D into H1 plus H2. Area equals half D into H1 plus H2. Half, what is D? 5.5 into 1.5 plus 2.5. Half into 5.5 into, what is 1.5 plus 2.5? It will be 4. You can cancel, and after multiplication you will get the answer as 11 centimeter square. So identify the height and then identify the diagonal, you will get the answer. We shall do one more example. There is a quadrilateral given here, ABCD. Measurement is also given. Now I need to find the area of, name of the quadrilateral given is ABCD. What is the diagonal length given from the figure? 6 centimeter. Height H1 3 centimeter, H2 5 centimeter. Therefore, area equals half H into D1, half D into H1 plus H2, half into 6 into 3 plus 5. 3 into 8, 24 centimeter square. So this will be the answer. So in this video we have learnt 3 formulas. What was the first formula? Area of a rhombus equals half D1 D2. Second figure was trapezium. Area equals half H into A plus B. Third one was area of a general quadrilateral, half D into H1 plus H2. These were the 3 formulas that you learned today. Children, write and learn the formula, write and learn the problem. Okay? Thank you.